Now we will discuss about uses of noble gases. As we know that noble gases are non-reactive gases due to completely fill their outermost cells, high ionization enthalpy and positive electron gain enthalpy. These gases are colorless, odorless and have low melting and boiling point and poor conductor of heat and electricity even when these gases are in their liquid state. These gases, being inert in nature, find various uses in our day-to-day life. In noble gases, first gas is helium gas. Helium gas is lighter than air and it has lesser density as compared to the air. The density of helium gas is almost 8 times less than that of air. That's why balloons filled with helium gas always move upward direction in the air. Thus, helium balloons are used for weather forecasting. When helium balloons move upward direction in the air, it is attached with an instrument called radiosonde, which is used to measure pressure, temperature and relative humidity in particular region. Thus, radiosonde calculates wind speed and wind direction to forecast the weather. Although hydrogen gas is cheaper than helium gas, but hydrogen gas is highly inflammable. That's why helium gas is preferred in balloons for safety reasons. Helium gas is also used by divers. Tanks used by scuba divers are filled with air containing nitrogen and oxygen gas. As we know that the solubility of gases increases with increase in pressure, and due to high pressure, nitrogen gas starts dissolving in blood, which causes lot of pain to the body of divers. Therefore, inert helium gas is mixed with air in tank, which does not dissolve in blood even at high pressure. Thus, helium gas causes less pain to the divers in comparison to nitrogen gas. Next is use of neon gas. Keep in mind that color of neon gas is orange-red. That's why when a neon gas is used in discharge tube, it produces reddish orange light. Next is argon gas. Argon gas is used to provide a necessary inert atmosphere in welding of titanium, aluminum, stainless steel and magnesium. Inert atmosphere protects the welding area from oxygen and moisture and helps in fast welding. Growing of silicon crystals is done in pure environment. That's why argon gas is used to grow silicon crystals by providing inert atmosphere. Xenon and krypton are used in photographic flash units because they produce very bright light. They are also used in lighthouses. And at the end, neon, xenon and krypton are used to produce different colorful lights which are often used in family functions, orchestra, DJ, etc. If you like this video, please share your comments and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.